Okay, y'all, I did not bleach any knots. I honestly don't have time. I really don't have to, but I am definitely about to pluck this hairline. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna do a middle part or a side part. I don't have that much time to decide, so I need to get to plucking. So let's go pluck.
You can't even sit in peace. All of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna give me what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need.
What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay. Let me get this blue. Hold on. Why would I wait for my birthday to experiment with colors? Why did I wait for my birthday to go blonde? I just want to shock the people because it's my birthday. Like, it's a lot of blonde though, girl. But yeah, middle part because we ain't got a time. But see, y'all, look at that. Cute. I'm only worried about the middle. It's a lot of blonde. This is a lot of blonde. At this point, it is what it is. In my boho active because that Ghost Spawn, I don't like her. She did me dirty. I need to get some more of this because it's at the end. It is at the end. Let's dry this. Actually, I can't dry this like this. I gotta, girl, hold on. So we're gonna just spread this out. I might just do one layer because it's a thick layer. I should have did one little layer. It's okay because guess what? I'm gonna filter the my pictures if I don't like it. Do not do this. Y'all know that thick layer I put? Don't do that because it's gonna turn white. But guess what? I mean, of course it's gonna turn white. It is white, but it's gonna dry white. And I actually oiled my scalp and I didn't. Always clean like the perimeter with alcohol so you could, you know, clean the oils up. Because once the oils hit the glue, once the oil meet the glue, this is what you get. But I ain't got time to do it. Girl, I ain't got that kind of time, okay, to really deal with this right now. And since we're doing the middle part, it's okay. I can camouflage what I got going on in the middle. Ooh, my cousin is calling me. She gonna have to wait a little bit. Okay, let's hit the cap. Let's hit the cap. Let's hit the cap. Okay. I'll do baby hair and teens, everything else later. I'm not too concerned with baby hair, adult hair, like no hair. I'm not gonna trip. I ain't got time. And it's okay. See, y'all can kind of see that white, but cutting the ear tabs. You're gonna have to cut some hair, y'all. So you're gonna cut around your ear. Okay, I'm gonna put this on while I get dressed. Okay, it's not even on tight. So, put this on. It's not gonna be no baby hairs tonight. I need to bump these curls in the front and then I'm good. I'm about to slide on my clothes. I'm doing last minute outfit decisions, y'all. Like, don't be like me. Like, if you know your birthday the same day or year, do not be like me. I'm doing some baby hair. Well, I feel like this part not straight. I don't think this part's straight, y'all. I don't think my part's straight, y'all.
5 years of dating, tired of being patient. What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hate, and I don't entertain them. But damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now. No wasting my time with you. Okay, but you gotta have it joy. I'ma start that clock on you. We gon' see what's up when a nigga pull up on me. Said a nigga bad, bad. Don't you know all of these niggas wish these niggas back? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind up. You got 24.
Alright, if I pin this up, put this down, of course. But if I was to pin this up, this would be so freaking cute. Isn't this cute, y'all? Stop it. But, girl, this side's struggling. I ain't got time to do baby hair. Oh, that's so cute! Nothing happened. I don't know what I'm wearing. And I need to be leaving out this house right now. How is that possible? Now, why this one curled like that? No, this is not right. I ain't trying to burn this hair. Y'all, why is this pink?
your hair is
Oh my
pink.
gosh, what the hell?
No. Why is it pink?
I have no idea.
You burned it? Or you dyed it?
I didn't dye it.
It doesn't look like you dyed it.
I didn't dye it.
But you can just say it like that. You look like a Barbie anyway.
I look like a black Barbie.